Crystal substrates are materials known for their exceptional qualities. They provide an essential platform for manufacturing electronic devices, offering high purity, crystalline perfection, and outstanding thermal stability. The manufacturing of crystal substrates involves meticulous processes to ensure the highest quality. These substrates are carefully engineered to meet the demanding standards of today's technology. Crystal substrates play a pivotal role in diverse applications. They enable the creation of short-wavelength lights, precision lasers, and high-temperature microelectronic devices. Their contribution to environmental protection is evident in their support for eco-friendly material systems. In the world of crystal substrates, Stanford Advanced Materials stands as a leading provider. Their commitment to delivering top-tier crystal substrates has fueled advancements across industries. Explore the transformative potential of crystal substrates. Visit Stanford Advanced Materials at www.samaterials.com to discover how these materials can enhance your innovations.